Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find a song when you don't know the title. So in here, I'm going to use Google to find the song. If you also want to do the same, first you can just click on the Google apps on your phone. And then in here there are two ways that you can do. You can click on this microphone icon, or you can just click on this identify song by listening feature on Google apps. So I'm going to click on this, so you can play or sing or hum a song using this feature. So after you doing the humming, Google search will find you the result. You can select from here to find the related song. For example, here you can see there is a percentage, how many percent that the humming and also the song Google search for you match. So you can just click on the song, for example, in here, and you'll be directed to the Google search related to the song. You can go to Spotify, you can go to YouTube or others music apps. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.